Hi, hello, Master Erwin. How are you? I hope you still remember your friends here in the Philippines. Team Nick, Elsa, the word Nicholas Nick is Diba? I know you will not forget our unforgettable moments or unforgettable times during extreme activities, especially the Wake Up Championship competition. We met last year, you together with your Los Angeles to Paris principals, and they are very lucky. They have a very good and potential teacher. Today, your natal day, in behalf of the World Dicastic Extrema family, we greet you a happy birthday and wishing you more many happy birthday today. Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Erwin. How old are you? Happy birthday. Man, it's what you don't know.
Happy birthday, Master Erwin.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Okay. Thank you, my friend. Happy birthday. Okay.
Okay.